afternoon, everybody. So, haven't done a live video in a while. Kind of freaky. I got one of these Amazon 50 packs, and I thought I would open one up today, and you guys could see what was in these. So, first of all, pull one out. It's a short card. So everything that comes in these Amazon 50 packs is a short card. As you can see from the first car that I brought out, there's cool cars in here. So don't be afraid. Whoops. Sorry. Don't be afraid to get these every now and then. The thing about these that really you want to watch out for is they go up and down in price quite a bit. So you want to watch for when they're a little bit lower. Of course. Basically, you can get them anytime on Amazon, so you don't have to worry about not being able to get one. If you get a few at a time, you're going to get duplicates. I usually space these out, so I'll only get one of these boxes every month. And the number one question, of course, on everybody's mind: does it have treasure hunts and supers? And the answer is no. They don't have treasure hunts and supers in this. As far as I know, the only thing that has treasure hunts and supers is the actual factory cases, which these are factory packed, but they're not the same as factory sealed cases, which, by the way, you can get on the website, or if you send me a message, I'd be happy to hook you up. So these are good cars that are in here. You know, they're not too bad. And a lot of times, there's some good hot rods. Nice Porsche. A lot of times, the things that are in here are not only, short card, which you don't normally get at any of the stores, but they're also different cars than you might see at Dollar General or the Walmart. I'm sorry, the Walmarts. While we're talking about that, pretty sweet, the Mustangs. So, some of you know where I get the Mustangs now. Anyways, while we're talking about that, I think Walmart is probably one of the worst places to get hot rods. And I know some of you have no choice but to go there. But I think by far, in general, that's funny, in general, Dollar General has the best hot rods, and that's both Matchbox and Hot Wheels. For some reason, they just end up getting the best stuff. Maybe it's because they sell the most. There's a nice little Firebird. Those are cool. Here we go. So check this out. I know some of you are going to like this. There's a Tri-5 55 gasser. And so far, if you've been looking, a lot of them are nice hot rods. Not a ton of kids' cars. It's always nice to have the kids' cars too, because you can give them to your nieces and nephews and your kids, pretend that the Hot Wheels collecting is all on them. Here we go. Here's a nice one. Little 83 Chevy Silverado. So that's good. So SVO, Porsche 911, 55 Chevy Gasser, the Baja truck, Silverado, a Braille car. I love the food trucks. So we got a Quick Bite food truck, I think, in the chicken edition. The fantasy cars are pretty slick. It's not too bad. So here we go. Red edition BMW. Nice little bone shaker. You can never get enough of the cupcake cars. That thing's a classic. So anyways, that's basically kind of, what you're looking to get when you buy the Amazon 50 pack or the 50 pack from anywhere. I don't have these on the website. I don't carry them on the website, but I will leave a link to the Amazon shopping so you can pick them up if you'd like to. I was trying to look. So a limited grip. Got a Nissan Maxima drift car. So just a lot of nice stuff. Whoops. You know, everything's gone now. It's a good pile of nice cars for yourself or to share. All right, guys. Have a good day.